In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. This works for both iOS and Android devices, and it's pretty easy to do once you know how. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, just go and open your Instagram app, of course, and be logged in. Next, just tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to be taken to your profile page. Now, at this point, I do need to mention that this will only work for you or be available to you if your account is a professional account. But don't worry, it's not hard. It won't change anything for you. It will just give you more features, and it only takes 30 seconds to set up. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. But if you already have a professional account, you can skip this part. So to do this, you just need to press on the three lines at the top right of the screen. And from the pop-up box, just tap on settings. When you get here, you need to scroll all the way down until you see switch to professional account, just one from the bottom. Once you press that, you need to press on continue until you go through this and press continue again. Now select a category. I'm just going to choose digital creator. And now you can choose to either display this on your profile or not by using this toggle just here. Once you have decided that, press on done at the bottom and it will ask you if you're a creator or a business. Again, you can choose whatever you want here. I'm just going with creator, then just press next. And when you exit by pressing the X at the top right, your account is now a professional account. It's really as easy as that. Now I'll show you how to archive and unarchive posts. So to do this, just go down to a post on your profile that you want to archive and press on it. Then just press the three dots at the top right of the post, just like this. Then just tap on archive, just under delete at the top. Now we can go back and you can see the post is gone. Now to check your archive posts, you need to press on the three lines at the top right of the screen and then press on archive just below settings at the top of the list. Now when you get here, it may have not taken you to the posts archive and you might by accident be on the stories archive. So just tap on stories archive at the top of the screen and then press on posts archive. And now you can see the post in here. Okay, so let's say that I want this back on my profile and I want to unarchive the post. What you need to do is just tap on the post like this to bring it up, and then just tap on the three dots at the top right of the post, then press on show on profile and it will disappear from here. Now let's go back to our profile, and as you can see, it's back and it has been unarchived. So that's how you archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.